Hi, my name is Anne. In this video, we're going to see how to make apple smoothie. Sometimes when I'm on my weight loss journey, I don't eat what my family eats. I cook separately for them and I have to cook separately for myself, and it's not always easy. It is in those times that smoothies come in handy. It needs no cooking. It can be done in 2 to 3 minutes and it's extremely delicious and healthy also. This apple smoothie is one of my favorite smoothies and I make this quite often when I feel like having something sweet or I don't have time to cook. Now let me show you how I make this smoothie. So I have taken one whole apple. This is a small sized apple. So if you are taking a big apple, you can take half of it. That will be enough. And I'm just going to roughly chop it into small pieces. I'm transferring the apple into a mixie jar. Next, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of jaggery for taste. You can add 1 or 2 dates if you like. Next, I'm adding 1 cup of skimmed milk. And then I'm gonna add 4 cubes of ice and 3 drops of vanilla essence. 1/4 teaspoon of cocoa powder. This is optional, you can skip it if you don't want it. Now I'm going to grind it until smooth. Next, I'm taking 6 roasted almonds and I'm going to chop it into small pieces. I've also taken around 1 tablespoon of roasted peanuts. Now I'm going to add this to the smoothie. This is how I make apple smoothie. If you like, you can add a little bit, maybe a tablespoon of roasted oats in it. Sometimes I do that. If you want it to be more thick or creamy, I like it both ways, with oats and without oats. And if you make smoothies often, try to use plant-based milk, because mixing fruit and dairy may sometimes cause indigestion and other digestive issues. Earlier, I used to eat a lot of ice creams and chocolates. I love chocolate and I love chocolate flavored anything. But after I started having smoothies, I started loving the taste of smoothies. I replaced chocolates, biscuits, sweets, desserts with smoothies. So once in a while I have smoothies and I hardly buy chocolates, ice creams, cakes. So that is the beauty of smoothies. So please try this recipe and let me know how you like it. If you want me to make any other recipes, let me know in the comments and I will try my best to post the recipe for you. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. I lost my voice. I'm so sorry.